welcome to the online classes. Today we are in page number 102. So in our last class we have done with these A and B bits, like just fill in the boxes, fill in the missing numbers. Okay, let us continue. 93, after 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 99, 98 afterwards, 99. Okay, then 70 before, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Then 50 before 50, 49 before 49, 48, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Then 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Okay. Now backward counting. Backward counting. We know that counting backwards is like going down the stairs and counting from the biggest to the smallest. For example, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95. Using backward counting, fill in the blank spaces. 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89. Okay, in this way you have to complete the box. This you will be doing for the homework. Okay, then page number 103. In 103, what we have here also, we have the same thing. Find the missing numbers. 90, here backward counting missing numbers. 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84. Okay, then 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76. Okay, you have to continue in the same way. This also do for the homework. Then arrange the numbers in the increasing order. Increasing order, small number to big number, small number to big number. Okay, 22, 45, 10, 56. Which is the smallest number? 10. 10. Then after 10, which number will come? 22. Then after 22, 45 or 56? 45. Then 56. 73, 87, 62, 81. Which is a small number? 62. 62. Then after 6, 7, 73. Then 8, 8. Both are 8. So compare the ones. 7, 1. So which is small? 1 is small. So 81, 87. Then 9, 6, 2, 3. Which is a small number? 2, 20. Then after 2, 3, 35. After 3, 6 and 9. So which number is small? 6 is small. 60. Then last is 98. Okay. Then 8294. 8294. Which is a small? 2 is small. 21. After 2, 4. 47. After 47, 8 or 9? 8. Then 95. Next 9974. Which is a small number? 4. 40. Then after 4, 7. 72. After 7, both are 9. 9, 9. So which is, compare the ones. 0, 3. Which is small? Which is small? 0 is small. So 90, 93. Okay. Then complete this. Next, arrange the numbers in decreasing order. Now we have to arrange the numbers in the decreasing order. So biggest number we have to write first. 20, 23, 32, 19. 2, 2, 3, 1. So which is biggest? 32. 32, 23, 20, 19. Okay. In the same way again next. 4, 5, 3, 6. Which is the biggest? 6. 68. Then backward counting. 6 before 5. 5 after 5, then 4, then 3, 37. Okay. Then turn the page. 8, 7, 8, 6. So which is the biggest? 8. So here we have 2, 81, 82. So compare the ones. 1, 2. Which is biggest? 1 or 2? 2 is biggest. So 82. Then 81. Then 7, 6. 7 is bigger. 79, 61. 3, 5, 4, 2. Which is biggest? 3, 5, 4, 2. 5. 55. Then 4. 45. Then 3. 35. Then 25. 1, 3, 5, 8. 8 is bigger. 8. Then 5. Then 3. Then 10. 9, 4, 8, 2. Which is bigger? 9 or 8? 9. So 99. 9. 8, 7, 87. 4, 3, 43. 2, 4, 24. Okay. Then write true or false. 68 greater than 56 greater than 23 greater than 20. It's true. Then 92 is less than 91. Is 92 less than 91? No. 92 is greater than 91. So it's false. 76 is less than 80. 80 is less than 85. 85 is less than 90. It's true. 31 is greater than 29. Greater than 28. Greater than 22. It is also true. 21 less than 30. Less than 52. Less than 60. It is also true. Okay. Then we have how much do you know? Write the number names for the following numbers. What is this? 5, 6, 56. FIFTYSIX 56. Then 79. SCVENTY 70. NINE 79. So do for a practice, complete this. Okay. Then fill in the boxes. 9 tens, 9 ones. What it will become? 99. 4 tens, 5 ones. 45. 3 tens, 6 ones. 36. 6 tens, 2 ones. 62. Then we have next page. 98 means 9 tens, 8 ones. 6 only 6, so 0 tens, 6 ones. 25 2 tens, 5 ones. 86 8 tens, 6 ones. Okay, draw the beads. 73. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3. Okay, rest you will be completing. Put the correct sign marks. 22 37. Which is the which number is greater? Bigger number? 37. 22 is less than 37. 48 45. Which is bigger? 48. 13 30. Which is bigger? 30. 98 98. Both are equal. 74, 82. Which is bigger? 82. 54, 45. 5 is bigger or 4 is bigger? 5. Then write the number that comes before, after or between. Before 60, 59. Before 87, after 87, 88. 38, 39, 40. 49, 50. 70 before, 69. 53, 54, 55. Arrange the numbers in increasing order. Increasing means small number to big number. Increasing small number 6, 7, 9, 8. Which is small number? 69. 69, 79, 89, 99. Again 25, 9, 18, 70. We have learnt the single digit number is the smallest number. So 9 is the smallest number. After 9, 18. Then 25. Then 70. Arrange the numbers in decreasing order. Decreasing order means big number to small number. Big number. Which is the biggest number? 6, 8, 9, 5. Which is the one? 9. 95. 95, 85, 65, 55. 34, 18, 43, 8. 8 is biggest number is 43. 43, 34, 18, 8. Okay. Now turn the page. Complete this. Wherever blanks I have left, you need to complete that. Okay. Now turn the page. Backward counting. Write the backward counting. 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 19. Here 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. Then little genius. 3 tens, 9 ones. Here 9 tens. Which is greater? 9 tens. 8 tens, 80 ones. Both are equal. 8 tens, 0 ones means it is 80. This is also 80. So equal. 4 tens, 2 ones means 40. This is 30. Which is greater? 42 is greater. 6 tens, 5 ones. Then 5 tens, 6 ones. Which is greater? 65. Okay. Group activity we can't do. So with this we have completed with our chapter. In our next class we will do with the another chapter. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Have a good day.